it, dude. Check it out, dude. Look what I'm riding. Oh my gosh. He got no shift lever, bro. What the hell? For some reason, he wanted to ride the 400 today. I was gonna ride a Stunt R6, but somehow I ended up on this one. Thank you, Rendon, for letting me borrow the bike. I don't know how to wheelie it though. This thing feels so grabby, man. I feel like I could fourth gear wheelie it. Grab fourth. Grab fifth. Grab sixth. Man, I haven't been this bad on a bike in a minute. Good grief, his bike is so touchy, even in third gear. There was definitely something about my other 636 that was like less powerful. Because I was telling Rendon back when we were at the shop, I was like, I feel like my 15 was way more powerful than my 13. And it's like, well, I don't know why, because they're the exact same bike. And I'm like, yeah, I don't know either. Yeah. Oh, poor Tucker. Come on, guys, slow down. The kid wants a wheelie. He's got a big old smile on his face, but they're not slowing down for him. How's it going? Oh, there's another one in the back. Man, we really gotta go catch up, I guess. There we go, that was my first little dip. Yeah. Get it, man. Slow down. Slow it down. Dip it harder. Dip it harder.